students, in previous lectures we have seen the fertilizers. The fertilizers are the components which are essential for plant for their growth. So we have seen how to estimate nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium from the fertilizers by using various methods. And we are going to see the problems based on these topics, NPK estimation from fertilizers. So see, we are going to solve 3 problems in this lecture. So our first problem is calculate nitrogen content of ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate and urea. So we have to find out only nitrogen from 3: ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate and urea. So see, we will solve it. First is the ammonium nitrate. So ammonium nitrate means NH4NO3, and in NH4NO3 there are 2 nitrogens. Here is one and here is second, that is N2. So here written ammonium nitrate contains N2 and ammonium nitrate's weight is 80 gram and N2 is equal to 28 gram. So I have written here N2 is equal to 28 gram and ammonium nitrate is equal to 80 gram. So 80 gram of ammonium nitrate contains 28 gram of N2. So suppose we have 100 gram of ammonium nitrate. So in 100 gram of ammonium nitrate, how much amount of nitrogen is present? That will be calculated as X is equal to 100 into 28 divided by 80. So after taking the calculation and finding the X value, it will come X is equal to 35%. So when the fertilizer ammonium nitrate is 100 gram, it contains 35% of the nitrogen, that is N2. Now we will find out the nitrogen content in the ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate is NH4 twice SO4, and in this also nitrogen is 2 nitrogens. So 2 nitrogens, obviously its weight is 28 gram and ammonium sulfate weight is 132 gram. So in 132 gram of ammonium sulfate, 28 gram of N2 is present. So if we have 100 gram of ammonium sulfate, how much gram of N2 is present in this 100 gram? We will calculate now. So this is the Y term. So Y is equal to 28 into 100 divided by 132. It comes 21.21%. That means when 100 gram of fertilizer in which ammonium sulfate is present, and that ammonium sulfate contains 21.21% of the nitrogen. Now we will find the nitrogen content in urea. So formula of urea is CONH2 twice. And in this urea, again 2 nitrogens are present and its weight is 28 gram. And urea weight is 60 grams. So 60 gram urea is equal to 20 gram of nitrogen. So suppose we have 100 gram of urea, then this much amount of urea contains how much amount of the nitrogen. This is denoted by Z. So we will find out Z. Z is equal to 100 into 28 divided by 60. So the value of nitrogen in urea, it comes 46.66% of N2. That means urea is a nitrogen rich fertilizer. So we have calculated all 3 which they have asked to solve us. In ammonium nitrate, 35% nitrogen is there. In ammonium sulfate, 21.21% nitrogen is there. And in urea, 46.66% of N2 is present. So this is our first problem that we have solved now. So we will see second problem. This problem in which we will find out potassium content from the fertilizer. So problem is express the potassium content of a fertilizer in percentage K2O of chemically potassium content is 4.5%. So in the problem they have asked us to find out the percentage of potassium containing fertilizer in percentage of K2O. So see what's given. Suppose we know that the potassium in fertilizer present in the form of K2O. So K2O is equal to twice K. Means this K2O contains 2 atoms of potassium, that's a 2K. So K2O molecular weight is 94 gram and twice potassium's molecular weight is 78 gram. So 78 gram is equal to 94 gram or 94 gram is equal to 78 gram of potassium. So suppose we have 100 gram of fertilizer because they have asked us to find out in percentage. So 100 gram of potassium oxide is equal to 4.5 percentage of potassium. So they have given us percentage K2O of chemically potassium content in fertilizer is around 4.5%. So this is a potassium percentage. So I have written here 4.5 percentage of K. In 100 gram of K2O there is a 4.5 gram of potassium. Suppose this is the weight of K2O, 94 gram of K2O. So in this 94 gram of K2O, how much amount of potassium is present? We are going to find out. Suppose this will be X. So X is equal to, do multiplication, 4.5 into 94 divided by 100. So I have written here, consider this will be X. X is equal to 94 into 4.5 divided by 100 and its answer comes 4.23%. So the potassium content in K2O is 4.23% when the K2O weight is 94 gram and initially we have taken if 100 gram of K2O then it contains 4.5 gram of the 4.5 percentage of the potassium. So this is the simple problem. Then next problem is a question number 3. Problem is here. Find out the amount of K2O in 35 kg of NPK fertilizer. So we know that there are the fertilizer bags and on this bag the percentage or the ratio of the NPK is given 4:12:6. This 35 kilo NPK containing fertilizer on this bag, the written values are 4:12:6. So first value represents nitrogen, second value represents potash and first represents nitrogen, second represents phosphorus and last one represents the potassium. So we are going to find out the potassium. So see, just add all these values. 4 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 22 and 22 gram of fertilizer contains only 6 gram of the potassium. So overall weight is 22 gram and in this 22 gram only 6 gram is of a potassium. So suppose we have 100 gram of fertilizer, then it contains X gram of the potash. So X is equal to 100 into 6 divided by 22. So X is equal to 27.27 gram of potassium. So this is our first step. Initially the ratio is given and we have just added all the terms and it comes 22 gram of fertilizer. In 22 gram of fertilizer only 6 gram of potassium is present, and suppose we have taken 100 gram of potassium, then potassium containing fertilizer, then how much gram of potassium is present we are going to calculate, and this will be x. So x is equal to 100 into 6 divided by 22, and the value of potassium in 100 gram of fertilizer, it comes 27.27 gram of potassium. So this is the first step. Now we will see the 100 gram of fertilizer is with us. So 100 gram of fertilizer contains how much gram of potassium? 27.27 gram. And they have given us the 35 kg bag. So we are going to find out in 35 kg of bag how much amount of potassium is there. So 35 into 10 raised to 3, just convert kg into gram. So 35 into 10 raised to 3 gram of fertilizer, it contains y gram of potassium. So just do calculation by multiplying these two terms and divide by 100. 27.27 into 35 into 10 raised to plus 3 divided by this 100. So after calculating this, we will get value 9.54 into 10 raised to plus 3 grams of potassium. So 35 kg bag contains 9.5 into 10 raised to plus 3 grams of potassium. Then we are going to find out this potassium in terms of K2O. So K2O is equal to K. That means potassium oxide is equal to only potassium, and weight of potassium oxide is 94 gram, and only potassium, that is K2 or twice K, its weight is 78 gram. So, and we have seen the value of the potassium in 35 kg bag is 9.544 into 10 raised to plus 3 gram of potassium. So we will take this value as a Z, 9.544 gram of potassium. So we have two values of potassium and we have one value of K2O. So we will find out the value of potassium. So K2O is equal to 9.544 into 10 raised to 3 is here, so I have written here, into 94 divided by this one 78. So Z gram of K2O is equal to 9.5445 into 94 into 10 raised to plus 3 divided by 78. So just do calculation and its value comes K2O is equal to 11.50 into 10 raised to plus 3 grams. So K2O is equal to 11.50 kg. So 35 kilo bag or 35 kg bag of fertilizer, it contains 11.50 kilogram of a potassium oxide. So by this way we can calculate the amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and the potassium present in the fertilizers.